Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how to find your IP address on Mac. Let's start the video. You can see on my screen, just press here command and spacebar. Now search here system preferences and press enter. Now you can see the new interface of system preferences. Now go on networks. Now on your left side you can see here the devices. Just select the device and click on advanced. Now here you can see TCP/IP. Just click on this tab. And now here you can see the IP address, subnet mask, router address, everything on this panel. This is the way to find your IP address on MacBook. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.